Hello, I wanted to share my latest one, Lapbook, with you. And similar processes and nice and thick, flat spine, marbled paper. And I did give it a light spray of a coating so that it wouldn't pick up dirt. And the back is tea-dyed canvas, and did the same title. Again, enjoy the journey and story here. Let's see. And these three little booklets come out. They're on these stretchy bands. So each of these three booklets would come out, and there's three of them. Let's see, why don't we just start on the one side. And this is a travel Lapbook with bits of tickets and different languages throughout, and just different pockets and places to store things. I'm not sure. Might be a little long to go through absolutely everything. Some photographs of people. A lot of these photos are European. This one is from Berlin. There's a lot of ephemera in here, and so it might take forever and a day to get through. There's a couple little booklets here with little tags and tickets. And then some other tags and tickets, and some German letter folded in half, and some paper that's been stapled on and then covered with tape, and then a pocket with a vintage photograph. They're standing in front of the old stage station on a mail route, so I thought that was kind of interesting. And then something that came in the mail from Japan. A little pocket on the side. And this is ephemera from Feeling Sentimental. I still have some of that, so I used that in here. Another photograph of a couple, or well, maybe not a couple, but someone traveling on the train. 1961. Going through to another country. Small packet, just some little, and this is from a friend when she was traveling in Cambodia. Oops. And then a folded paper, that's Arabic, I think, folded piece of paper, and then another photograph, a nice old one. I don't know where that's from, but it's Agfa, so it's German, I'm assuming. And then this is a nice German card. And just a tag and a ticket. And when this opens up, there's a little, let's see, some little tabs and tags and things in here. And then it just closes with a tie. It's a little messy. Okay. And then this opens up. Little tags and more photographs and more German. This is a friends. Love that. Let's see. Let me close that. There we go. Very delicate. And so then over here, I always like to have the notebooks. There's a pocket and pockets and some stamps, maps, dictionary, Arabic, I think, I'm not totally sure, German, airmail letters, more dictionary, oops. That's walnut dyed and tea dyed. And the next little booklet, plenty of places to put little bits, keep notes, draw some pictures, take them out and take them along, some Japanese, from a Japanese magazine that I have. So I love how these little booklets, you can pop them out and take them along. And then, so this part folds in. And then this back part folds out, and there is a book here that is sewn in. I did like the idea of having something solid that's really in there, and this little back part will open. Maybe we'll just do this back part here. Some little tags. This is more of a twine. And this opens up, so here's some papers for notes, and then just some more tags and some. This is a wonderful photograph. I love that one. And this, I'm not going to go through necessarily, but this has, similar to the other booklets, but it has some pages from the Japanese magazine that I have, and otherwise it's quite similar, some more German, and the little maps that I was using, really enjoyed those. And some books I've made lately, and a nice old map that's got beautiful paper. So there's quite a bit of that in here. Just folded in. And some postcards in this one as well. So there's actually quite a few postcards. 1947. Let's see. There's more postcards, but Avignon. And so then there's the center part. So this folds out, and then there's a little more papers, more photographs. I really enjoyed putting the old photographs in here, and some airmail paper, and some more a letter with some airmail. There's a letter in here that can be taken out. And then this opens. Let's see, we'll move that over. And again, just some little tags and tabs, and then there's some paper in here for writing. So some hidden little spots. And then, and then in here I think there's just some stuff, some more maps, pages, Bryce National Park, and some adorable ephemera inside. I'll put the link on the bottom for that. So on this side, there's some papers, whoops, that have fallen out, but the papers just kind of click in here. And there's a little booklet. I think inside is just some little papers. And then over here, there's a postcard of Genoa and a trolley car. There's too much stuff in here. Whoops. Well, we'll put that back later just to be sure. And then just more ephemera in here. Pictures. I don't know where they're going. They look like businessmen. And a mom and a child. And more wonderful ephemera from Feeling Sentimental. And some tags and tabs and bits. And some more little hidden pockets. And just more ephemera tucked in. This is a nice big pocket here. And, oops. And there we go. I think this closes like that. I have forgotten. Well, it's just hard to. And then this kind of does a really great job. There's actually plenty of room. And so there's actually a lot of room still in here, so it's nice and sort of just right. And there's it's a nice chunk. Thanks.